Tabata na início de reunião de continuação, kaminda Primeiro-Ministro Silveria Jacobs mestra contestar pergunta ng final para assina Parlamento por a vota riba e kambionan de lei para lo que trata e recorte de 12,5%. Parlamentario e líder de frakshon United People's Party, também é ex-presidente do Parlamento, Sr. Rolando Brison, a proponer punto de agenda kaminda Parlamento por vota e gradisí Sra. Grisha Heyliger Marten para seu serviço como Presidente do Parlamento e a pidi ronda de 5 minutos para cada parlamentário. Sra. Heyliger Marten apunta a sala sinanta de acordo e 2 membros do Parlamento estavam pro e aqui. Seguidamente, ela dona Primeiro-Ministro Silveria Jacobs palavra, mirando que a senhora Ministra Mes a pedir reunião importante aqui, promete sua saída para a reunião de Nações Unidas da América. Primeiro-Ministro Jacobs notava em comentário, Sra. Heyliger Marten a ser a reunião e awe na rádio PJ2 ela quebra seu silêncio riba e comportação que é mestra tolerar e suportar de Sr. Rolando Brison como líder do partido United People's Party que sua casa Theo Heyliger afunda. E nos tem a seguinte compilação.
Is there any other member of parliament that wish to have the floor for notification?
Madam Chair, I have a proposal of order.
Yes.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good morning. Madam Chair, I would like to propose an agenda point added as agenda point 1, which would be to thank the President of Parliament for her service over the past parliamentary year and to relieve her of these duties. I would like to also propose a speaking time of 5 minutes and 1 round. Thank you, Madam.
Is there any member of parliament that support this proposal? I see MP George and another member of parliament, MP William Marlin. I would like to also turn the floor over to the Prime Minister to maybe allow her to weigh in on this proposal. Prime Minister, this is the meeting that you requested, a law that we're supposed to pass, and it is at the ending of this thing. So I would like to, is that okay with you, Prime Minister, for us to proceed with this? None? Okay. With that, members of Parliament, I hereby adjourn this meeting.
And how we got here.
You're breaking your silence. Why now?
Well, I don't react to rumors, and that rumor mill has been running around for quite some time right now, and I waited. It's something that I anticipated. I spoke to my fellow colleagues, some past up members about it, that it was coming, so I knew it was coming, and I just waited to see. I waited on the right time.
You're talking here basically about the removal of you as President of Parliament?
Yes.
Okay, yes. All right. This request comes from the leader of the party that you are actually a member also, and a party, I should say, everyone knows that was founded by your husband, Theo Heyliger.
Indeed, that's a fact.
This comes as a shock to you because I know in the past you've had basically you and the member of Parliament who also was the former President of Parliament, you all had some kind of exchange of words, so to speak.
My issue with our leader stems from his leadership skills. It was that from the onset. From election time, I sat back. I gave him the opportunity. 2020, I gave him the opportunity to lead. And you know, he was leading through some unprecedented times. So I sat back and I allowed him to be him. January 2021, on his birthday, I handed him a book of John Maxwell on leadership skills because I felt he was lacking in some areas. I truly wanted him to, grow as a leader. But here are we now giving you the opportunity to lead. Here are some tools to help lead. A few months later, we got the District 721 situation. He promised to stay off of social media. That happened. And then a few months later, we got the issue with the IPCO fiasco. It was my first one-on-one IPCO, and I was left alone without my leader in Bonaire to fend for myself.
Where was he?
He was apparently in a nightclub enjoying himself while he was supposed to be in quarantine.
You're holding Parliament hostage right now.
Is that what it is? The Prime Minister,
because you can't have another meeting if you don't call it.
Prime Minister,
you don't call it.
Please weigh in on this. She had the opportunity right then and there to say, Madam Chair Lady, this is important for me. I would rather we pass this law, and then you continue with that. You had the opportunity then and there to say that this is more important. I asked you, I gave you the floor, and all you said to me was no comment. So what do I derive from silence?
Yeah.
Consent.